Seahorse.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse
Seahorse.
ran up the clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory
Pufferfish.
tick tock, tick tock.
Pufferfish.
Hickory dickory
Great
dock,
white shark.
the bird looked at the clock struck two, away she flew.
Great white shark.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Octopus. Octopus.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck three.
Alligator.
Diddly-dee, hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick
Alligator. Clownfish.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock.
Clownfish.
He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock,
Duck.
tick tock.
Duck.
Hickory dickory
Sea
dock,
turtle.
the bee buzzed round the clock struck five.
Sea turtle.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
Spotted ray. Spotted ray.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock.
Polar bear.
Six, oh little six. Hickory dickory dock,
Polar bear.
tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick.
Dolphin.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory
Dolphin.
dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
Lobster.
Old MacDonald had a
Lobster.
E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow.
Squid.
E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here and
Squid.
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab.
Had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a
Jellyfish.
with a here and a there,
Jellyfish.
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Penguin. Penguin.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Crab.
And on his farm he had a dog. E-I-E-I-O.
Crab.
Here and a there, everywhere.
Walrus.
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Walrus. Sea otter.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Sea otter.
His farm he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-O. With a
Goldfish.
here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Goldfish.
E-I-E-I-O.
Frog.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Frog.
And on his farm he had some sheep.
Manta ray.
With a here and a there,
Manta ray.
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Orca.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Orca. Whale. Whale. Seal. Seal. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark.